For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello and welcome to News9 Digital. I am Jyoti Jha. Let's take a look at the top 9 stories from the world of entertainment. Alia Bhatt and Mahesh Bhatt's recently released Sadak 2 has beaten KRK's Deshtrohi to become the worst rated Bollywood movie on IMDb. With the ongoing uproar of nepotism and favoritism debate that has engulfed the Hindi film industry, Sadak 2's fate was more or less sealed after its trailer became the second most disliked video in the history of YouTube. Kangana Ranaut recently noticed her Twitter followers have been decreasing every day and wonders what might be the reason. The actor has been voicing her opinions on the case of Sushant Singh Rajput and nepotism. Recently, a netizen pointed out that the actor's followers were decreasing, to which she replied saying, "I agree and I notice pattern every day, 40 to 50,000 followers drop. I am very new to this place, but how does this work? Why are they doing this? Any idea?" Kangana's old picture with producer Sandeep Singh, which also features Rangoli Chandel, has been doing the rounds on the internet. In the picture, the trio can be seen striking a happy pose for the picture. The picture is also available on Sandeep's website. The CBI has so far questioned Rhea Chakrabarti for over 26 hours. She was questioned for nearly 10 hours on Friday, 7 hours on Saturday and 9 hours on Sunday. Meanwhile, Goa-based hotelier Gaurav Arya was also called by the Enforcement Directorate in Mumbai in connection with the money laundering probe linked to late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's purported girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti. Actor John Abraham reportedly said that he got opportunities from people who have been in the industry. According to the actor, Bollywood is a good place, not that bad. Sudhir Mishra, who is quite active on social media, recently took to his Twitter account and posted about having mild fever and cough. He informed that after he took the medicines, fever subsided, but later he started feeling drowsy. The filmmaker revealed he called his doctor friend who told him to self-isolate. Sonu Sood has become a superhero for his fans in the real sense of the term during this pandemic. For help and selfless services, the actor has been providing to people across the nation. Recently, he delivered shoes to an athlete and books to an IAS aspirant. Actor Rajkumar Rao is celebrating his 36th birthday today. On this day, girlfriend Patralekha penned the sweetest birthday wish and said happy birthday to the golden boy with a beautiful heart. Thank you for telling me rasode mein kaun tha. Happy birthday Rajkumar Rao. Big Bang Theory star Jim Parsons says the role of the predatory agent he plays in Netflix series Hollywood changed him as a person. Parsons has been nominated for an Emmy Award as Outstanding Supporting Actor in a limited series or movie for his performance as Henry Wilson, a real-life figure who was one of the Hollywood's biggest agents in the 1940s and also a gay man whose suppressed desire led to all manner of sexual indiscretions. Well, those were the top 9 stories from the world of entertainment. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital. Thank you for watching.